Hello traders, how is it going there? It's Lumi Banks here. You're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And this is going to be an update on all I've analyzed so far in the past 2 weeks. Yeah, so I want to be, I want to check what did we say, what did I say is going to happen, and what is happening currently in the market. My anticipation on Euro USD, I said, is a bullish one. Yeah, and I predicted that when price was trending, I think somewhere around this level, the price is we probably go come down to 0.7 level and then form like resistance, make this zone like a kind of resistance that is going to break. Currently it's looking like it will come down here, or this level is going to return this price down, but I'm not seeing that happening. uh what I said last week was okay. There is another block around here. Yeah, that's price will probably hit, and that's the reason why I was anticipating that the 1.07 level, this very other block that I said that I was anticipating a buy around this zone when this happened, but I didn't get a tag in. But now there is a tag in and price is like this on the weekly time frame. So I'm currently in this buy, yeah, but not I'm not loading position into it, yeah, because this is what I'm still seeing. I bought somewhere above. I think I had a position around 1.013 and another one at 1.025 or 23 like that. So uh currently all I see that price could do currently is something like this, that we break out totally from this zone to this level, and then we return back to maybe somewhere around this zone, and then we this is where I will be loading position. I could risk like 1% of my capital, and then I anticipate that we go straight to the 1.11 level, like I said it on in the last video. 1.11 level, this zone here, 1.11, and ultimately this zone here, uh the 1.12, because price will be looking for this height, TP1, and this height too, this high. Price will be looking to get to it too, if not above. So this is this is it. This is what I have to analyze on Euro USD. So I want to see price break this. If you are not in the buy currently, it's absolutely fine. Just allow price do whatever I want to do. This is what I'm anticipating. Go up here and come down to this. You can look for buy around this zone. Once price hits up and come down around here, you see your buy signature, you can buy. Personally, I'll be looking out for more buys around here. I'm going to be taking partial, like 70% of what I've uh put in the market here. I'll be taking it off and then putting some orders, loading some orders around here. That's for Euro USD. And if we look at the this is it on a chart that I really added my makeup. Yeah, this it here. So looking at the DXY too, DXY, where are you? Yeah, looking at it, pretty much same thing happening here too. I didn't touch it in the last video. I don't think I touched it. Uh, so price is doing the reverse of what these markets are inversely correlated. So I'm looking at price break this, price break down here, and then return to maybe this zone, or anywhere around there that I find my sell signature here, I'll as well be looking for a buy signature on the Euro USD since they are inversely correlated. So that's it for Euro USD in comparison with the DXY, the dollar index. Yeah. Moving on, I have GU. GU, I didn't really touch it on, and I don't think I've really analyzed GU, but I've been looking at it a while for a while now, and then I've been looking to buy. I've been looking to buy. Price has been, doing some up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Uh, you can check my previous video. Okay, I got in around here, and I'm looking for this height, this exact 1.2800 level as TP. I got in here last week, and last week we saw a you know down movements, down movement that if you're not experienced, you just gonna take out your position because I was inside this buy. I was in around here, and my stop loss I think somewhere around here. But once I saw that price only came down, and there are levels around here that I was anticipating that okay, if the news, because there was a news and I was anticipating it, I was into the markets before the news. Uh, I was anticipating that okay, there is a fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame, and just around there is where I added more buy. I add a little more buy, and my stop loss is just around this level, below this level. Yeah. So the next buy zone for me on GBPUSD, in case you are not into it yet, will be this zone, this 1.2600 level. And to me, all the way up, uh, I'm not seeing price getting below, but it could happen. Whatever price do, my stop loss remain my stop loss, and my TP remain my TP. You know, price could hit the stop loss before going to the TP, absolutely. But I'm following this up, and as of now, uh this is what I'm on. So I got in this buy around here, and I am willing to ride all the way to the 1.28 level, making it uh over 200 pips right there. So moving on, I analyzed GBP card the last time, and I was saying price was just around here when I analyzed it. Price was just around here, and I was talking about how I'm willing, like this is my first zone, the first place I'm looking for a sell. If there had not been a fair value gap around a very interesting POI here, I said it that I'm not saying price will just go there directly. I'm not the market maker here, but I want to think the way. We're trying to think the way and mimic it right along the ways. Yeah. So if there had not been this interesting zone, this imbalance that price could retrace back to repaint there, I would have I would have continued this selling here. As of now, I'm totally out of this trade. Yeah. So where I would have been selling from, I would have been in this sell if there had not been this imbalance here. But I said it last time that okay, no need to panic. If price will continue selling from this zone, I'll be looking for retracements around here, maybe something like this, and then we continue downward. If you follow, you will see my TP is still way down. I'll be showing it later. Uh, but for now, I'm still very much anticipating that as price is going now, we just go up into this zone, and then before price rally down. So still very much anticipating this to happen. very much anticipating this to happen. And um, here is the target here. Uh, if the price trade into this zone, this very zone, I think 1.7150 level. I'll be putting my stop loss at the uh, last height, just as it is on the daily time frame, and I'll be looking to trade down into this zone. And if price should do otherwise, because no one is sure, I'm not sure for certain, like that price is going to trade into this zone. Price could just this week around here and just trade down from there, or something else something else just happened. Whichever way, I'll be looking to join the sell alone wherever I find the strong signature for sell. I'm going to be joining the sell. Moving on, so you can see my target here. Should price drop gets to this zone, it's a I think 6 to 1, almost 7 to 1 risk reward, which is very very cool. Moving on, we talk about gold, gold. Yeah, I showed this level where price has been returning from, and how I bought. I think I talk about how I bought around there and collapsed my position here. And then on the 4 hours, I was bearish. I entered this sell, but I was hit. I took a hit before price rallied to my TP. I was not in the trade, uh, unfortunately. So before it gets to this zone, I was anticipating around here. I was anticipating that price go up to this level. If price should get here again, I'll be shorting it to this level. But that didn't happen, obviously. Price did uh price did not that thing. It just traded down to this zone. So where am I expecting my next continue? Because I said it again that gold is very bullish overall. The overall trend for gold is bullish, and as we are able to hit price is able to trade into this zone. I mentioned it in my last video on gold that the 2000 level, this very level that I put the uh, blue line, is an important zone for me. Very, very important. I'll be looking for price to uh, go up and then come down into it and go up. And pretty much something that looks like it has happened already. And price traded above it and then right into it and then up again. I didn't get a buy from any of these movements. I'm not in the buy yet. But where I'm anticipating that price gives me the buy is around this very zone. Around this, let me move it to 1 hour. Around this very zone, I'm looking to get into the buy. Should this week gold give me something like this, despite what it has been doing, come into this zone, I'll be looking to I'll be entering a buy. Yeah, I'll be entering a buy, and it's gonna be a long one. My stop loss will definitely be around below this last one. Of course, I'm going to wait for my buy signature before I pull the trigger here. Stop loss will be around 1994 level. 1994 level. I'm going to be long in this market from there. Uh, and to the daily high. That's the last high on the daily time frame. Long position here. Uh, so for our time frame, it's gonna be me longing around here, around here. Okay, is I'm going on the daily time frame. Okay, this is the anticipation. Something like this. Something like this. TP1 will be around here, and the TP2 will be to cover this week. This week. But essentially, I'm looking for a bull market in the gold. In this commodity, I'm looking for bull run, a bull run in the gold market. Yeah, that's what. But essentially, I'm looking to buy around this zone. Why am I buying around this zone? Let me take this off. Buying around this zone. Let me zoom it in. Look at this. Because of this imbalance here, uh, I'm looking at okay, price trade into it. This is also an order block. If we combine all this together, all this uh, highlight, okay, all this, there are order block on in convert it to one candle. You have an order block. Okay, that's it on 4 hour. From the week to the high of this negative candle, it's an order block. So it's actually a good place. You know, an imbalance precedes, an imbalance follows it. So we have a good POI there. Once again, I'll be looking for my buy signature before I pull the trigger on any market, and that doesn't mean I will, you know, I'll be making, I'll be absolutely correct. But when you have an edge, you have, you want to, you want to, you want, you want to trade according to your trading plans. Yeah, because it's been working for me. It's my hedge, of course. Uh, So that's I think that's gonna be a wrap for today analysis section. Gold is an interesting one for me so far, so good because it's an interesting market. It's a market that I don't trade as often, but whenever I am able to, grab it, it used to be very sweet. Yeah, I don't trade gold as often. I really want all the confirmation. I want to see every of my confirmation. I think I don't care if I miss out on gold. Yeah, because it's a market that it can be brutal and it can as well be nice to you when you know what I mean. If you're a trader, you know what I'm talking about. All right, with this, I'll be saying my goodbye. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment. You can also share to make YouTube algorithm take it to more people to grow my channel. Thank you very much, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Lumi Bank signing out.